Hey, it's Pat McGrew here with the Inkish team, and we have the pleasure today in the Scodex stand at Printing United of talking with Mike Scruton from Adobe. So, Mike, welcome to the video.
Thank you so much. Great to be with you guys.
So, Mike, one of the reasons we're talking here in the Scodex stand is because Adobe and Scodex are now very close partners, and there's a lot of exciting things to talk about here.
Yeah.
So, should we start with the print engine?
Let's do that. Yeah. So the Adobe PDF Print Engine, we announced last month that we've partnered with Scodex to bring the Adobe PDF Print Engine technology into the Scodex workflow solution, which is giving us some real superpowers. One of the exciting things about that is it means that because the Adobe PDF Print Engine is already in 200,000 or more solutions worldwide, printing press sheets on anything from a offset press through digital offset, inkjet and toner, we're used to that sort of technology, but now with the Adobe PDF Print Engine inside the Scodex workflow solutions, they're getting exactly the same high quality, high speed, reliable reproduction to go with that artwork.
So if I have the Adobe Print Engine now inside of the Scodex, what other benefits does that give me in addition to being able to maybe skip the multiple approval processes I used to have to go
Totally
through?
right. So what we can do is we can take the same PDF files that are being prepared from our creative applications, Adobe Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, etc. They've gone through a PDF workflow. We can go through the same PDF workflow and print them on the Scodex system as you will have sent to the CMYK production system. It's not just about having correct registration and making sure everything lines up. It's even about making sure those files are interpreted the same way. So where you've got options like spot colors and you've got overprints and knockouts and this sort of thing, you're getting that interpreted within the Scodex solution exactly the same as it was already pre-printed on your CMYK press sheet. So it means you get perfect results every time.
So does it bring me any benefits in terms of my speed of production to the Scodex?
Absolutely. For the Scodex customers, we're seeing 30-40% performance improvements, which gets really exciting when you think about the power that you need to run VDP workflows, for example.
So that's almost like getting another half a machine for free.
Absolutely. It's really increasing the customer's throughput.
So we know capacity is important, but we also know time to prepare files is important. We know that a lot of designers struggle in this space. So do we have any news there?
Yeah, so we've been partnering with Scodex as well on some new technologies around Adobe Print Services. We're basically trying to turn this into an experience, an end-to-end experience, all the way from design to manufacture. And one of the new technologies we're working on together is Project Goldsmith. It's our code name at the moment, won't be ready until sometime next year. But what this aims to do in the world of embellishment is really simplify that file preparation process, allows us to bring our pre-press times down from minutes, sometimes hours, down to matters of seconds, so that we can automatically understand the intentions of that designer and correct the PDF, make sure it's optimized for the production system.
So when you start to look at the ecosystem that you're building, where can designers learn more about what they need to know in order to create these really magnificent pieces?
So you can go to the Adobe website, adobe.com/go/embellish. We have a whole bunch of information there about what we're doing in the world of Project Goldsmith. You better learn more about what we're doing that as we move into 2026. You can also go to the Scodex website and find out more about our partnerships there and all the great technology we're bringing to the market.
Wow, that is a lot of announcement. That is a lot of new stuff, but it sounds like it's bringing more efficiency to the process of embellishment.
Absolutely. We want to be as efficient as possible. We want to remove the friction. We want to make it as easy to print with an embellishment as you're used to printing today with CMYK. We're going beyond CMYK into a brand new tactile world with these specialty effects.
I love it. Mike, thanks so much for taking time.
All right, great to see you, Pat.